So here continuations ka kano, no? For all the NBA players, watch out, yeah. So okay, here the balancing ni kano, no? Today is about January 3. So here balance ko, no? There you are, straight the body. Again, that's balancing board, no? Tarawa ka balance na siya. Again, no? Watch out for the 6, 7 or so here makabalance-balance na siya. Bawit sakit to ganihan, no? Sakit kayo. 90 degrees na to, no? Again, tomorrow kinalasan na to. So here, again, no? One natin yan, no? Dirita sa plyometrics, no? To educate your brain, no? Here. Again. Now, so here, no? Again, to educate your brain, nga. Uy. Again, so here. Again, here. Okay, no? Just try, no? Again, this is called the plyometrics, no? To test the brain. So, puli-puli na, no? Hinahinay lang. Again. Okay, good. Kuyawan pa siya. Okay. Straight the body. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Again, nakuyawan pa siya. No? Mori na, napa siya fear, no? Muna wad una mo ni gitawag plyometrics to educate the brain. Okay? So here diri ka, no? Diri ka, grass, no? Again, so here, again, ito ibutan, no? Okay, para makita gid ninyo, no? Again, we'd like to thank America, no? For the trusting me, no? Here you are, para ginistaw sa inyo, no? So here, again, congratulations ni Ma'am Aloy, no? Okay, here. You know? Oh, you know, start, no? You know? Double, okay, 1. Okay, ito. Kamu ka? Okay. 1, 2. Okay, layat yun. 3 ka na. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, no? Then, single. Okay. 1. Usog yun. Taas, taas. Taas, saka yun ang tiil to. 3. Sige, continue ha. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Magpadaga na, no? So, usab og double, no? Patanawon ta kasi mong lukso. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Ni-upload 8, 9, 10. Okay, single, no? Taas agad, no? Okay, single, start. Okay. Okay, 1. No, puli-puli. 1, 2, taas Okay, no? So, again, muna, no? Ug ma-injury ka, peligro kayo. No, bali siya, no? Relax lang, ana. Okay, sige, sunda. Kaya, butang. Again, no? Muna i-practice ni mo, ha? By which brain coordination siya. There you are. So, again, usab ta ito, no? Last time. Last, no? Again, this is the last management. So, here. Saka yun. Straight the body. Ayaw tanawan tiil. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Again, the last one is the stress machine for the millennium, no? Again, ato sa paswayon, which foot na yung gamiton. Okay ra? Naisakit wa?
Kilid lagi.
Kilid ko, no? Again, because why? Maupo mo na yung pag-store na to gasoline, no? Nya, sa iyang brain, mo lagi na pait kay mo. If you are NBA player, nga mauna yung trabaho, by which your job is about kanang panabuhi taw ninyo is about nga kanang basket by which nga ma-educate mo sus peligro kayo, no? Mao lagi na maikuko ni Derrick Rose, no? May which lagi champion ug ni Jeremy Lin. Again, muni follow ni kano, no? Again, partial tear unda ECL, no? Again, so here piko ko no? Ipiko. There, sige gid, piko gid asa kutob. Asa kutob pa gid. There pangitkamot gid. By which here, again, nakuha na nato ganyan 90 degrees, no? Again, humana ni gawas na siya sa 6, no? 6 weeks. Again, yeah. Ano na? No? So again, pinakasakit ito niya, kurog ito, no? Again, mauna, no? Kay kinanglan gid nga the proper ma-educate ka din. Stress machine me. Thank you.